channel. My name is Evelyn and this is Linart Studios channel. Today's video about watercoloring a chickadee. That was my second time trying to make a watercolor chickadee. My first picture was very ugly because the whole black paint spread out because I was impatient. But I think that this second one is so much better now. So let's get started. First, I outlined the body shape of the chickadee with pencil. And then I drew the legs, but that was a very hard task. I think I cannot draw bird legs. After I wet the area where I wanted the head to be black. And later, while it was wet, I used a little blue to make it more realistic. And then I outlined the chest with the yellow color. And after I used the typical green color on its back. And I used a little brown to make it more and more dimensional. I tried to wet only those areas where I wanted the paint to spread. For example, on the wings, I wanted the green color to mix a little bit with the blue. So I wet this area a little bit and then I let them to mix into each other. I tried to start with lighter colors and later on I used the darker colors to make more dimensions, to shadow the areas and make it more realistic. So I added more black paint to the head, for example. But I had to use a dry paintbrush to soak it up a little bit because I didn't want it to run into the yellow color, which was still wet. To make small details with watercolor, you have to use dry paper and your brush have to be very pigmented with colors. As you can see here at the beak, I try to make thin, definite straight lines with more and less success. And I try to make more detailed feathers on the wings as well with darker colors. But for this step, you have to wait until the picture dries. Finally, the hardest task was drawing the legs. I made a mistake here, but I fixed it with white permanent marker. And finally, I outlined the shape of the body with a thin black permanent marker. And I drew the feathers as well to make them more visible. hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Next time I will arrive with another watercoloring bird video, and soon I will arrive with a March bullet journal video. Bye!